Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to send money with Klover. So a couple of requirements before you can send money with Klover. First thing you need is, of course, is a Klover account, and you also need the recipient's email, name, phone number and stuff. And then you're also going to need a linked bank account or debit card or credit card to, of course, fund the transactions. Now if you have all this, let me just show you how to send money with Klover. So first thing you want to do is to log into your Klover account, and then you want to click the send money tab, and then you just want to enter the recipient's name, email address, and mobile phone number, and then just enter the transfer amount, and then choose a linked bank account or a debit card or credit card that you're going to use to fund the transfer, and then just review and confirm the transfer details, and then of course that helps you to send money to the recipients. So a couple of transfer options that you got. The first, of course, is instant transfer, where you can send money instantly to the recipient's bank account or credit card. There's also standard transfer, where you send money via standard transfer, and that's going to take 1 to 3 business days. There's also scheduled transfer, where you schedule the transfer in advance to send money at a later date. So these are the options you got, and yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. I hope you guys liked it. Hope you found it useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.